video of scientists and their important contribution part 3 brought to you by Genomics, the Biology Center. Now this is a unit 3 which is cell structure and function. इसमें आपको 3 टॉपिक्स मिलेंगे. अगेन दिस इज फ्रॉम 11 CBSE जिसमें आपको 3 टॉपिक्स मिलेंगे. सेल, बायोमोलिक्यूल एंड सेल साइकिल एंड सेल डिवीजन. तो इसमें से मैंने ये साइंटिस्ट का लिस्ट बनाया है जो अगेन एज पर CBSE टेक्स्ट बुक से है. द फर्स्ट साइंटिस्ट फ्रॉम दिस इज G.N. Ramachandran. G.N. Ramachandran is an Indian scientist. We should be proud of this scientist as he is from India and he is the founder of the Madras School of Conformational Analysis of Biopolymers. He discovered the triple helical structure of collagen and Ramachandran plot. So this Ramachandran plot आप ध्यान में रख सकते हो is his important contribution in biochemistry, where he has given the easy way to view the distribution of torsion angles of a protein structure. So Ramachandran plot rank among the most outstanding contribution in the structural biology. So remember this Ramachandran. The second scientist is Matthias Sheldon. आपको शेल्डन का नाम आता है तो उसके साथ आपको शिवान का भी नाम आता है और आपको पता है ये दोनों ने मिलकर सेल थ्योरीज दी थी. लेकिन हम लोग पहले सेपरेट देखते हैं इन लोगों ने क्या किया. दिस इज अ जर्मन बॉटनिस्ट एंड एग्जामाइंड अ लार्ज नंबर ऑफ प्लांट्स एंड ऑब्जर्व दैट ऑल प्लांट्स आर कंपोज्ड ऑफ डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ सेल which form the tissue of the plant. So plant is containing different types of cell. Given by this concept is given by this Sheldon. Then the next was a Theodore Shivan. He is a British zoologist. आपको ऐसा भी क्वेश्चन आता है. The scientist was a British zoologist and he observed this and this. So name the scientist. So he is a British zoologist and studied different types of animal cells and reported that cell had a thin outer layer which is now we know as plasma membrane. And he also studied plant tissues and concluded that the presence of cell wall is a unique character of plant cell. So he was Shivan. Now together these two scientists formulated the cell theory. लेकिन उसमें एक drawback था. This theory however did not explain as how to new cells are formed. New cell कैसे form होते हैं ये उनको समझ में नहीं आया. वो ये एक्सप्लेन नहीं कर पाए. इसके लिए देयर वाज अ नेक्स्ट साइंटिस्ट रुडोल्फ वर्चो एंड ही वाज फर्स्ट टू एक्सप्लेन दैट सेल्स डिवाइडेड एंड न्यू सेल्स आर फॉर्म फ्रॉम प्री एग्जिस्टिंग सेल. सेल कहाँ से आए ये उनको पता नहीं चला. ये रुडोल्फ वर्चो को पता चला. ये लास्ट ईयर की नीट में क्वेश्चन था. सो दिस ही कॉल्ड एट ओमनीसेल्युला e-cellula. That means new cell which are arising from pre-existing cell. So he modified the hypothesis of Shivan and Sheldon to give the cell theory a final stage. So you may get a question who has given the final stage for the cell theory. So he was Rudolf Virchow. Then the scientists Singer and Nicholson, they both proposed an improved model of the structure of cell membrane known as a fluid mosaic model. There were several scientists tried to explain the structure of plasma membrane, but the widely accepted model, fluid mosaic model of cell membrane has been given by these scientists Singer and Nicholson. The next scientist is Camillo Golgi. He first observed densely stained reticular structure near the nucleus and named them as Golgi bodies. So Golgi bodies, due to this honor of this scientist Camillo Golgi. The next scientist is George Palade. He observed granular structure called as ribosomes as dense particle under electron microscope. And you know there is 70S type of ribosome and 80S type of ribosome. 80S type of ribosome generally present in all eukaryotic cell and 70S type of ribosome which is present in prokaryotes as well as in mitochondria and chloroplasts. and that is the reason mitochondria and chloroplast, they are called as a semi-autonomous organelle because they have 70S type of ribosome which is similar to the prokaryotic ribosome. So sometimes these ribosomes are also called as Palladase particle because the scientist Palladase. The next scientist, Robert Brown, he was first to describe the nucleus as a cell organelle. So इसने first time nucleus cell के अंदर देखा. The next scientist is a Fleming. So material of nucleus stained by the basic dyes was given the name chromatin by him. So जो fine thread like structure है chromatin fibers, इसने उसको stain करके पहली बार देखा and so this particular scientist Fleming discovered about this chromatin. Anthony van Leeuwenhoek again last unit 1 में भी हमने देखा. Leeuwenhoek ने first time living cell देखा. He improved the microscope and this Leeuwenhoek he called as a father of microbiology. Robert Hooke observed the cell from the Spanish oak cork. He actually observed the dead cells and cell wall and coined the term cell, and he is regarded as father of cytology. Robert Hooke जिसने dead cell देखा and he also made the microscope. उसके अपने बनाए हुए माइक्रोस्कोप में उसने dead cell देखा, cork cell, and उसका जो माइक्रोस्कोप था was having the magnification of 40 into 41x and also wrote the micrographia. The next scientist Strasburger discovered cell division and mitosis. So nucleus arises from pre-existing cell by division and that cell division has been observed by this